In this video, I am going to show how to book flight tickets online booking.com. Let's start the video. First of all, you have to open a browser and then search booking.com. Then this page will arrive. First of all, click flights. Then select where you want to go and where are you from. Suppose I select Dhaka, and to select USA, Newark, United States. Then click search option. Then a page will arrive where you can see the rate of flight. Here is best, cheapest, and other many. I click or choose best. Then you can see trip.com, travel app, eDreams. I select fast and click view detail. Here you can see this website. Now scroll down and see all the details of your payment, address. Then click confirm option. After that you can see this page, and here give names, first or middle name, surname or last name, select gender, male or female, select nationality, date of birth, and then click confirm. And you have to pay the amount of your ticket price, and that is how to book flight tickets online booking.com.